What's up, flexers? Cherries are my favorite fruit. Unfortunately, our cherry tree in the garden is not very reliable in producing these for me.
How dare you!
Today we are going to change that by pruning the tree, which essentially means to cut down overgrown branches and basically to widen the space within the tree up so that there's a better energy flow and fruits can be produced. That's what we want. Big juicy cherries. How are we going to do this? I have a handsaw, I have a jigsaw and some cutting tools that I'm going to use. The tree is very high, so I'm going to create some extension tool so I can cut the high branches. I could buy myself one of these pro tools for cutting the tree, but why doing it the easy way? So actually the other day I went into my garden shed and I found a bed frame which has very sturdy timbers that I'm going to use to produce my long handsaw. And yeah, let's see how this works. So let's take this thing apart and use the wood for our tree, okay?
A few moments later.
Yeah, these will be joined together. Yeah. Let's screw them together. The magical screw chest. Always good. So the 10-volt devil is a little bit too weak. I will use Big Cousin for this job because the plywood is very sturdy. It's better for this one. This is my camera stand, by the way. Beautiful construction, as you can see. This is how it's going to look. Basically a long stick. At the end I will just fix my handsaw. There are 6 basic rules for cutting a tree. First of all, it's very important that you disinfect your tools and sharp things when you cut the tree. The leftover open cut wood is gonna heal better. Secondly, it's very important to cut the branches that are going inside of the tree and crossing over others. This will open up the volume of the tree and give it more air to breathe. The third point is to not leave stumps at the tree when you cut it, so it heals faster. Fourth interesting point, just cut off all basically the dead wood. When you see like little branches that are dry, just cut them off. It will help the tree also. The fifth important point, you want to open up the inside volume of the tree. The tree is growing outwards, catches as much energy from the sun as possible. The sixth point and last one, you want to cut the long tops of the branches. That's also important for optimizing the energy flow. I'm gonna wait 1 more year so I don't damage all the branches because my tree has not been worked on for quite a long time, and there are so many additional branches that have to go off. So I was thinking do the top cutting part in the next year so I don't have to damage each branch. Okay, let's cut this tree.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
Jigsaw.
The thing goes grrrr.
Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
It's very important that you cut the branches that are growing over each other, and also cutting the branches that are growing inside of the tree.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall.
So this is it. The tree is pruned, and at the end of February, this is basically the best time to do it. This will ensure that there is enough healing during the colder season going into the spring. And as soon as the summer comes, the tree will be healed enough so that the bloom can grow. Next year, I also will get a professional pruning tool for cutting the long tops. So for this year, it was more important to cut out unnecessary branches that are just sucking the energy of the tree and stopping him from producing those juicy cherries. I hope you liked the video. I try to have as much fun as possible with it. And if you have more tips, you're always welcome to leave a comment. See you later, Flexers!